russell4mining.com.au, and joining me today is Julian Woodcock, the Managing Director for Viking Mines. Julian, how are you today?
Hey Shay, great to see you. Good, thank you.
Let's dig into today's announcement. Great news coming again out of the First Hit gold mine and the recently renamed Bifrost target. Now, we are talking about results. It's one of 4 results that have come through. Can you sort of highlight the key numbers in this particular result for me?
Yeah, Shay. So this is a big target area, 3.6 kilometres long, and we drilled 4 cross sections or traverses across this target, and they're really widely spaced. So between the northern one to the next one is 800 metres between the next one and the one we're reporting results for today is 1.7 kilometres, and then it's another 1.1 kilometres to the next line. So we've just got results for the 2 central traverses. We reported a couple of weeks ago the first results got 27 metres at 0.4 grams, 17 metres at 1.1. The results were put out today are 1.7 kilometres south of those in the next set of data we've received. I'm really pleased. We've got another wide intercept, 24 metres at 0.4 grams, but importantly within there, 5 metres at a gram and another 3 metres at about 1.3 grams. So we've really shown that over this long strike, 1.7 kilometres, we've got results exceeding a gram both times, and that just opens up the space. It's a greenfields target area. Whilst we'd love to be getting really high-grade hits on the first pass, to be getting this tenor of results confirms that we've got mineralised pathways, and now we just have to hone in.
It's certainly impressive to see these results rolling in, but what do they mean for the broader context of the Bifrost target?
Look, it's just the space. It means that we can now confidently say that we have got gold pathways that are generating single-digit grades in the context of nearby deposits such as Orobanna Mining's Riverina mine, which is an underground mine, very large resource there. They get results proximal to the economic mineralisation in the 1 to 5 gram metre range, and that's what we've got here. So we've got 5 metres at a gram, that's 5 gram metres, or 3 metres at 1.3, that's another 4 or so gram metres. And we are optimistic that we're on the structures and the pathways within this large target area that somewhere lurking within there's a deposit of size and merit, and that's what we're moving on to doing our exploration and looking to grow now.
Now, obviously, these are just some of the results, and there's still more to come in. But outside those results coming in the next couple of weeks, how do you follow this information up from here?
Yes, look, we have acted quite rapidly on this. As I said, it's a very large area. Convention would say just step out, drill another line of holes 100 metres away. We're being a little bit more scientific behind it in this approach. So we've got an auger drill rig out there working around these areas where we've got these results, and we're closing up a soil sampling spacing from 100 by 400 metre grid down to a 20 by 100 metre grid. And that will those samples will be in the lab before the end of this week. We'll have the results within a fortnight, and we will then be able to close and vector in on where the best place to go is to follow these up. Should we go just north of these results or south? Should we be 100 metres away, 300 metres away? We really have such a large area. We want to make sure that we're efficient and we go to the best place to give us the best chance of success. In the meantime, the RC rig is still going out to site. It'll be going out next week, and we're testing then the second target, which is further south of where we're providing these results for now. It's a 6 kilometre long soil anomaly that we'll be putting first traverses, and we will be putting that drilling in early March. At the back end of that drill program, we'll have the results from the follow-up, as I've just mentioned, and we'll be moving the RC rig to put in some extra holes in around the results we've reported today. So it's all busy.
It certainly is. Listen, thank you so much for being here today, Julian. I look forward to what comes next.
It's great being here. Thanks again, Shay.